friends, I'm Natalia with Mom's Dish. Today we are making the perfect meringue cookies with mint flavors. They are great for your Christmas desserts or your basket that you're giving to your friends. I hope you love this recipe, so let's make it. What's great about this recipe is you basically dump everything in. So we have some sugar, we have cream of tart. I'm adding a pinch of salt. Then we're adding some egg whites. So here you have to be careful. You can split this to the side. I kind of want to risk it and play along. So we just need egg whites. Dump those in. I am using my stand-up mixer. I am gonna whisk this up until the eggs are nice and fluffy, and I'll show you the ribbons that you get with the egg whites when they're done. So the mixing part does take a while, even though it's such an effortless recipe, but this is the texture you want. You want it to be stiff. Let's say I pull it out of a mixing bowl. Look how that holds a shape. Okay, we're gonna pipe this out, and I am using number 22 for design shape. Just gonna place this in a bag and cut off the edge like this, and then push this out. And the easiest way to fill this is to put it in a cup and just fill it up with the filling or the mixture. Just gonna add this in here. We're just gonna pipe it out in a circle and just make your own shapes. If you want to make them festive, here's a little trick how you can do that. So I have my piping bag prepared, and I make a little line on the inside of the coloring and then just twist it around. Do that same thing on like few other sides of the bag. Fill it up the same way. Squeeze this out, get rid of all the air, and then we're just gonna pipe them out. And see that red showing up there? The baking process of them is super low and slow, so we go at 200 degrees for about 90 minutes. They get crispy and crunchy, and just slow cooking process is the best for this. Once they're baked, you want them to chill and be fully chilled before you enjoy them. You can actually eat them like this. They're gorgeous, but I just like to do an extra step. So here's what I'm doing. I have candy canes. We're gonna crush them up and just add a little more decoration. So I have some melted white chocolate here, and I'm gonna dip it in the white chocolate, followed by the peppermint. Oh, look how good that looks. And just keep going. Meringue is such an easy cookie, and I hope you get to make this one because it always elevates any cookie tray.